Hi, this is Mike, and welcome back to another Game Creator 2 video. We left off with the hotspot, getting the character to look at it. And now we're going to look at the next option of things you can do with a hotspot. So let's add another spot to the same hotspot we did last time, and we'll do an audio. So you can play a sound when it activates and it deactivates. So let's just try that, and we have a UI select sound and a UI error sound, let's say. So we will do that, and it should just automatically work. And let's see what happens when you come close. You hear the two sounds. 1, 2. And that's all you have to do to get the audio. So you could play any type of audio clip there. So even like a story related clip or something like that. So there's many things, there's other things you could do with it. You can also play a random audio clip, which is really good too. Let's see. Random audio clip asset from a list. I'm not sure. And from a variable as well. You could, if you have an audio clip in a variable, then. So let's see. I delete that, and then we want random audio clip asset from a list. And for some reason it doesn't work. So let me try this. Random audio clip. Oh, there you go. So if that happens to you, just re-add it, and then you can add a list of clips to play. So let me do UI select, UI submit, UI error, and UI back. Just these ones I have. So we will play it on activate. So let's see. And then come back. And it plays a different clip every time. So that is the audio clip feature of hotspots. They're fairly easy to get to work. So that's it for this time. I'll come back next time with another hotspot video. And until then, like, subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one.